always do that stupid whistle when I start recording. I told her it might be 2 loads anyway, so, or not 2 full ones, but. All right, a little hand unload action. This is gonna be messed up, honestly. Gotta go all the way back and around. That shed is a lifesaver for sure. We'd be absolutely cooked if this wasn't here right now. What? Oh! Damn it. Sorry. Cooked. Sweet. Got 30 minutes in. Let me show you guys the load. It's not bad. What would you say we're on time, Jay? I said, how long you think it's been?
About 30 minutes.
I think we're gonna have to come back for a second load though, because there's this stuff too, and that left. 500. This TV is gonna just cook it right into someone's windshield.
No way.
All right, let's go get breakfast, Joe. All right, we got some couches here. Check this place out. Really? Oh my God, dude, my forearms are cranked. Oh, push. Oh. All right, what else? Oh, toilet.
That couch.
About a half trail load, so I charge $2.95 for a half load. Packing this one in good. Not too much left though back there. Oh, nice. Yeah.